Hi, Assalamualaikum children. How are you today? I hope you are doing fine at home with your family. Today, teacher want to show you how to do pouring water. First, you need to have a 2 jug that has spout like this. For parents, please prepare the smaller jug for your children, okay? Then, we need a sponge and a tray. Before we start, let's sing a song first. 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Saya sebuah teko cantik dan menarik. Ini tangkai saya, ini muncung saya. Kalau hendak minum, angkat tuang. Take this jug and pour the water into the other jug like this. Then take this jug and pour the water into this jug. Then you take this sponge and wipe the jug like this. Okay, don't forget to clean up the mess after you have done the activity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated. Till we meet again on the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.